slide in the long length first, push it closer to the short end, lying it flat, and then you just need a brief tap, 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 and that end closes up. Make sure that that is perfectly lined up, otherwise the next one won't fit. One more time. Long edge, almost to the edge, short edge, but not quite. We've got one person holding it level and one tap, tap.
One more tap, I think. And then that bit should be straight.
And then that bit is straight for the next board, and this joint is clipped.